Hi traders, this is Shane from equity3.com. This is the second part of my initial video that I did, which was called Live Trade usdjpy part 1. What we have here is a daily chart of the usdjpy. So each bar represents one day, and in my first video what I did was I predicted where price was going to move. So from the date, let's say from the date of this bar here, which was the 22nd of February, just 2 days ago, what I said was I'm taking a trade short. So my entry was a sell stop below the low of this bar with my stop loss above the bar. I gave the reasoning in my first video of why I was taking the trade. So this is really an after part to see, that the trade, yeah, indeed it did break with a nice move off. We were after moving down, over 70 pips. Now how I managed this trade is like this. What I did was, let me see. I'll draw a line here for you. I decided to obviously what I want to do is minimize my risk as soon as I can. So I decided around this level here, around 82.4. Once price got to this 82.4 level, what I did was I moved my stop to break even. The reason for that, it takes all my risk out of the trade. If it comes back, stops me out, so be it. There's another trade out there somewhere. But it minimizes my risk straight away. The reason why I chose 82.4 is because this is it's a minor area of support and resistance. You see these bars here? We've got some resistance. If we look across here, we had some support from these bars here. We had resistance in this bar. We had some support in this bar here. So it was an area that could potentially hold price up. So what I decided to do is once we got to that level at 82.4, I moved my stop to break even and cut all the risk out of the trade. Now, so next day starts today, on the 24th, and we've got a nice strong move down. My initial target on this trade was 82 level, which it has exceeded. Now, instead of putting a take profit, I could have put a simple take profit at this point here, but decided instead to watch price and see how it reacted around this area. So it blew straight through. So obviously, pips wise, we've made a lot of pips in the trade. From the low of the bar to where we are, we're looking at 70 pips. We're 70 pips up. The stop's at break even. So there's no risk in the trade. But obviously, I don't want to lose these pips that I'm just after making. So what I've decided to do is to move my stop. So my stop was initially at the high of this bar here. Okay, this bullish outside bar. I've moved it down to break even around at 82.4 when price hit 82.4. Now price is down here, blown through the 82 level, the big round number. What I do is I move my stop loss just above that. So I have my stop loss at 82.06, just 6 pips above. If you want to zoom down to the 1 hour chart here, it gives you a clearer picture. Sometimes I do zoom down to the 1 hour chart just to see what's kind of happening on a more micro level. So what you can see here quite clearly, so let me zoom in for you. So this is the 82 level, which you can see here. These are 1 hour bars as opposed to the daily bars. You can see this is where price broke through, and we've had this little bar here which is pulled back exactly to the 82 level. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put my stop just above that level there. So if price comes back to here 82.06 to this level, I'm out of the trade, full stop, with over about 50 pips of profit there. But however, it's given me room that if the trade does continue to go down, I can start moving my stop loss down with price as it moves down. And then on a more long-term level, maybe we can look at targeting. If we target for the 81 level, which is or maybe the low of this bar here. If we talk about 81.2, we can maybe look at this as a new target level. But the stop's at 82.06. I've locked in profit on the trade. So this is really, you know, over 50 pips of profit just locked in. Sit back, relax, let the trade do what it's going to do. You know, if it comes back and stops me out, fair enough. I've made 50 pips, move on, get the next trade. If it continues on down, great. You know, we're trying to let the profits run, as they say. You know, cut your risk and let your profits run, and that's what we're trying to do here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos, check out my YouTube channel, which is Equity3 Trading. Alternatively, you know, we do have a website there which links to all my videos. It's called equity3.com. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I just wanted to show you before, after, you know, live trades by a real trader, showing you the thought process before and afterwards, and you know, just going to show that, you know, the markets are like a crystal ball. You can predict where these things are going to go, and once you put passion and put energy and, you know, put a lot of time into reading charts and understanding price movement, you know, you can do this as well. And you know, it's easy, folks. It's easy, folks. So thanks very much for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.